Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and I'm going to talk about how you can actually start dropshipping the easy way. And obviously, if you're a beginner, this is one of the best videos that you would come across. So if you want to stick around till the end and find out what kind of strategy that you need to select and how you can find the right product to start your dropshipping successfully, then you should definitely check out our other videos which are available on our channel. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, subscribe to it right now because you will definitely get a lot of value out our video. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is head over to ebay.com, and the reason why you need to head over to ebay.com because ebay.com is a very simple, straightforward, easy website to use, and it gives you a chance to understand different dynamics that are available, and you'll find later out in this video why I absolutely love about eBay. Now once you head over to ebay.com, you'll be able to see different elements over here. You can search for anything. There's different categories and subcategories that are available that you can select from. If you scroll down, you can see different products that are available that you can get, and you have the prices for those particular products. Now, one of the major things that people used to do about 5 years ago or 3 years ago when you did not have artificial intelligence is that they used to spend a lot of money and a lot of time in searching different categories and selecting the categories that they thought would work. But now with the help of AI, things have become very easy and straightforward, and that is where ChatGPT comes in. Now, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence platform that can give you a lot of information about what direction you need to go, what product you need to select, what niche you need to enter, and obviously what price range you need to look out for. Instead of spending a lot of time researching and finding and collecting and analyzing and actually putting everything together, you can easily give a command to ChatGPT, relax, sit back, sip on coffee, and watch it do its magic. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us the best niche for dropshipping. Now, as we give that command, we're going to literally relax and see it do its magic. Now you can clearly see it's talking about different niches that are available. It could be passion and interest, it could be market demand, it could be competition, it could be actual elements analyzing what's going to happen, it could be profit margin. So it's giving you all the insights that we need to keep in mind when selecting a niche for dropshipping. Now we have got a overall picture of what we need to do. So we're going to ask questions such as 5 profitable niche in dropshipping. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us 5 profitable niche in dropshipping. Now we can clearly see he's talking about health and wellness. We're talking about pet supplies. We're talking about home and kitchen. Now what ChatGPT does is that it actually goes and grabs all this information that's available on the internet, and it analyzes all that information, what is selling, what is not selling, what they need to do. And then after doing that, it gives you a chance to select one of these niches. Now, if you look at all the niches that are available, if you scroll up right now, you'll be able to see the health and weight fitness, you see pet supplies, you can see home and kitchen, beauty and skincare, and tech and gadgets. Now, tech and gadgets is quite interesting, guys, because with the ever-increasing use of technology in our daily lives, there's a high demand for innovative and unique tech and gadget products. And this niche includes products such as phone accessories, smart home devices, and headphones. So what we're going to do now is head over to the actual ebay.com and hit on electronics. Now, as we hit on electronics, what is going to happen is that we're going to follow the instructions that were given by ChatGPT. So they're talking about cell phone, watches, and accessories. So let's go for accessories over here. Now, as we go for accessories, what happens is that we have a lot of accessories. We're going to head back to ChatGPT and check out phone accessories. So we're talking about phone accessories over here. So this could be phone, cell phone, smartphone, cell phone cases. This is an accessory. So let's check out phone cases and how much these phone cases are. Now, what has happened now is by using ChatGPT, we've got a direction that we can go, but we have to make sure that this is a particular niche that really has the element to make a lot of money for us. And that is the reason why I always mention to everyone to keep in mind this particular element, because you need to make sure that this is definitely going to make you money. So let's scroll down and see what kind of money you can actually make off this product. So there's 8.7 million people that are available in the market right now that are selling different products. And obviously the prices ranging from $6, $9. This person has sold 2,320 for these particular product, but we want to get a better idea. Now, to get a better idea, just head over to the Seller Hub over here. On the Seller Hub, you'll see this option which says research. Let's click on research. Now, as we click on research, we can research different elements. So we're looking at phone cases. So let's search for phone cases in the last 1 year, how much profit they have actually made. $1,058. Now, if you look on the screen right now, the average selling price was $10.99. The average shipping was $4.85. The free shipping was 91%. 1.5 million have been sold. There's 37,000 sellers available and a total sales of $16.6 million. If you scroll down and look at the graph right now, it's being sold every single day on an average $10 to $11. So this is quite interesting. Let's see who is selling what. Now, this individual has sold 32,000 of this particular item, which is an iPhone 14 Pro Max phone cover, and they have made $266,000 off one product. Imagine that this individual has multiple products. They're literally making millions of dollars in a year of more than one product. Of just one product, they made $250,000. If you scroll down, 88,000, 65,000, 51,000, 29,000. And guys, this is passive income. They're not doing anything. They're literally putting a particular product that people want to buy onto their stores, and people are buying it and making them money. So you can make $39,000, $40,000, $50,000 off one particular product. Now you might be thinking that, oh, this is not really profit. They might be making a lot more than this. And that is true, guys. How do you do that? It's quite simple. Head over to this platform, which is called AliExpress.com. Now, AliExpress.com is a place where you can find really cheap products. So let's search for phone cases. Now, as we search for phone cases, what happens is that you'll be able to see the phone cases that are available in China. Now, if you look at this aspect, that for 99 cents, they've sold 10,000 of these. For 99 cents for an iPhone cover, they've sold 50,000. So let's head back to our element of research over here. So this is an individual over here, we scroll down, that is selling this product for $8.26, and they've done sales in 266,000. That's not their actual profit. Let's open this over here and see this particular product. So this is a product that they're selling, and the price that they're selling is about $8.59, and they sold 46,000 of these. And if you head over to actual AliExpress, they may have got this for 99 cents. So let's say for $1. For $1, they've sold this for $8. So you multiply that by 8, you multiply by 8 amount from the amount they've sold, and that is where the real money comes in, guys. So basically, they have literally made more than $1 million of this particular product in profit. That is how huge this market is, and that is how people are making millions right now by simple products. This might not seem that huge to you guys if you're selling one or two, but if you're selling them in a bucket loads, in 10,000, 20,000 quantities, you're going to be making a lot of money off this one particular product. And you can easily do this for more than one product. All you need to do is head over to ChatGPT. It could be in the pet supplies, it could be home and kitchen, it could be beauty and skincare, and you can easily start a store on eBay, on Amazon, on Shopify, and get this information from ChatGPT. Go over to the actual research on eBay and get eBay to get a good understanding of if this is profitable or not. Then head over to AliExpress, find the product, source the product, and then put that product onto your store and start selling it. It is as easy, simple, straightforward as that. Now, guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys is to give you the proper insight, the proper strategy, the implementation of that strategy, the methodology that you require to actually get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about, so you can break away from the 9-to-5 and enjoy life to the fullest. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to start dropshipping in today's time and period. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.